Hey friends, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. In this channel you will get to learn all about Tally, accounting, GST and taxation. You will also get in-depth knowledge of Tally ERP 9 with GST to meet the accounting requirements of the industry. We not only teach the concept but also help you learn how you can practically implement those concepts in your day-to-day accounting process with practical examples and entries in Tally. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos. Now let's start with our today's topic. Our today's topic is how to enter opening balances of last financial year in Tally ERP 9 in current financial year. Okay, this is the very important topic, mostly for finalization or for the completion of accounts. Tally of opening balances is very necessary. Okay, before starting your accounting or before starting the accounting of your current financial year, it is very important for you all to note that the current financial year opening balances are as per last financial year. Okay, so now what is the meaning of this opening balances? So the opening balance is the balance that is brought forward at the beginning of an accounting period from the end of the previous accounting period. Okay, so to be very clear, I would like to tell that the last year's balance sheet, whatever balance sheet you have finalized, so the closing balances, okay, so balance sheet always reflects the closing balances for that particular day or that particular year. So balance sheet contains the closing balances of that financial year. So that closing balances should reflect to your opening balances in current financial year. Means if I take the example of closing balances of 31st March 2020 will always or should always reflect on your current financial year, that is 1st April 2020 opening balances. So it is very important for you to start your current financial year's accounting before entering your opening balances. So opening balances is very important topic. Now how I have to enter this opening balances? Okay, so to understand it more clearly, I have framed an example for you of Ram Plastics. So this is the example and this was my balance sheet or my trial balance. So my trial balance contains all the closing balances of last financial year. So this should reflect in my current financial year's opening balances. So what was my balances? Okay, so this trial balance only gives you ultimately your profit and loss account as well as your balance sheet. So I have taken this balances of only balance sheet. Okay. So I am having two capital accounts, then office premises, motor van which is coming under fixed assets, Omni Plastic, Castle Traders, sundry creditors as well as debtors, then closing stock, office furniture and Supreme Plastics which is your sundry debtor. So I have taken this example and yes, my debit amount as well as my credit amount is going to tally only. Okay, you can see that the amount or the balance of debit amount is exactly equal to my credit amount. So it means that my last year's tallied balance sheet I have taken and now I have to enter my opening balances in current financial year. Okay, so let's go to Tally. Right, I'm in Tally. So first of all, I will create one company. The name of the company would be Ram Plastics as I have taken over here. Okay, so how to create the company I have already explained you in my previous video. Okay, so I will go to Alt F3 or company info where I will create my company. Okay, so Ram Plastics. Address I will just give it in a shortcut way. Country is India, state is Maharashtra. Okay, in code I will enter. Okay, you have to enter the phone number, mobile number, fax number, email as well as website. How to enter that I have already explained you in my first video before starting my Tally ERP 9 tutorial. So please refer to my video of how to create a company in Tally ERP 9. Okay, now my financial year is now 1st April 2020 and my books are also beginning from 1st April 2020 only. So I will simply enter and accept my company. So name of my company is Raj Plastics and I have created this company as you can see over here. Name of the company Ram Plastics and yes, I will start doing my opening balances or I will start with my entries. So how to enter this opening balances? The foremost step is creation of ledgers and you have to give the proper group for your ledgers and you have to enter your opening balances. So go to gateway of Tally, then accounts info, ledgers and create. You can use single ledger method as well as multiple ledger method. Okay, I have explained you what is single ledger method and multiple ledger method in my previous video. Okay, so now for this time I will use multiple ledger creation option. So under group, there is no specific group which is given, so you have to use all items so that all groups can reflect for your ledger creation. So ledger creation, first is Rajiv Khandelwal. Okay, so I have also mentioned the group over here. Enter in capital account and give the opening balances. Opening balance is 5 lakh. Okay, Tally by default takes as soon as you mention the proper group, Tally by default takes the debit or credit balance. Okay, and if there is some change, you have to maintain that by yourself only. Okay, Tally accept what is debit as well as what is credit by considering your groups. Okay, now next is Amna Sheikh under capital account. Okay, that is again also 5 lakhs. Third is office premises under fixed asset. Opening balances 5 lakh only. You can see that Tally has by default taken the debit option, as a fixed asset comes or fixed asset always has debit balance. Next is motor van under fixed asset. Opening balance is 1 lakh. Next is Omni Plastics under sundry creditors. Balance is 50,000. Okay, they are asking you some other details also. There is no necessary for you to enter all that details. For as of now, it is clear or it is very plain that you just enter the ledger, the group as well as the opening balances. Okay, next is Castle Traders, which is coming under sundry debtors. Opening balance is 1 lakh. Next is closing stock under stock in hand. As of now, I will not enter my closing stock because here they have given you as per schedule A. So there must be some opening balances to my closing stock also. So as of now, I will not enter my closing stock details. Next, I will enter office furniture under fixed asset. Okay, it is 1,50,000. Next is Supreme Plastics under sundry debtors. Balance is 50,000. Okay, so I have made the ledger creation with opening balances for almost everything which is given in my example except for closing stock, because that I will enter as per schedule A. Okay, and now after entering your ledgers or the creation of ledger, giving proper group as well as opening balance, you have to accept it. Okay, so I have accepted my ledger creation. In this video, I have taken with multiple ledger creation option. Okay, so how I will cross check that whether my opening balances has been entered properly or has been saved properly. So go to balance sheet. Okay, press Alt F1 where you will get the detailed opening balances. And yes, you can see that my all opening balances are getting reflected, except there is difference in opening balance of 1,50,000. So what is that? It is exactly the same amount of closing stock, as I have not entered my closing stock yet. Okay, so this is the part 1 of my opening balances. I will again explain you that how you have to enter your closing stock in my next video or part 2. So this was all about the ledger opening balances. Now in my part 2, I will explain you that how you have to enter the opening balances for your stock. And if you enter the closing balances of opening balances of your stock, ultimately this difference in opening balances will be vanished. So please refer to my next video where I will be explaining you about the opening balances, how you have to enter the opening balances for your closing stock or your inventory. Okay. Okay friends, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel where I will be teaching you about all about Tally ERP 9, GST, income tax as well as accounting. Do subscribe, keep supporting. Thank you.